Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on pairing mode on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Typhur Dome 2 air fryer and are wanting to go ahead and turn it into pairing mode so that you can connect it to your mobile device. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is connect your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer to an outlet. Then you're going to click on the power button, which is located right over here. Next, you're going to press the up and down arrows until the Wi-Fi icon starts to blink. So it's these two arrows right over here. You only need to hold it for about 2 seconds before the Wi-Fi starts to blink. And then afterwards, you should be able to pair it with your mobile device. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on pairing mode on your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.